Is she gonna start, guys? And she lives. As you guys can see, she has a check engine light right now. I think what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and do it the old-fashioned way and stick in like a paper clip or something and then count the flashes since it's OBD1, so I can try and figure out what it is. I mean, the car seems to be driving fine. This check engine light will come on and then obviously, you know, VTEC will stop working. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to maybe check all the spark plugs, maybe check everything, because when the check engine light is not on, the car is like breaking up. It misfires really badly. And then when the check engine light comes on, it stops. I'm not quite sure what the issue is, but I want to drive it around a little bit more and really feel it out and kind of see if we can try and solve this problem. Looks like I got a Scion TC tailing me right now. He's going the other way. Oh, nice, he gave me the thumbs up. Thanks. So no weird activity going on right now. The check engine light obviously is still on, but it's weird. It's like it drives fine when the check engine light comes on, and then when it's off, it just drives like crap. So I'm really gonna have to try and figure this out. I might ask around, maybe ask a couple friends and see if maybe they can give me some insight on what this could be. Nice little Miata there. That one's actually pretty clean. Not all clapped out. I like it. I think another upgrade I'm most likely going to make is I'm probably going to get some aftermarket engine mounts. I kind of want something a little bit more solid. I kind of just feel there's a little bit of flex and a little bit of play whenever I'm getting on and off the gas. And I just want everything to feel more stout, more solid. That's 2,000, boys. Despite the check engine light being on and not really being able to fully experience VTEC, I really do miss driving this car. some motorcycle action right here. Man, sometimes I really do like other car enthusiasts and motorcycle guys, man. Some of y'all people are real cool. It's just crazy. I used to cruise down this street back when I had my old 95 Civic Coupe. It's crazy. I haven't been on this street since then, but I never would have imagined that everything that happened up until now would have happened, you know? So I guess you just got to keep working hard and keep moving forward, and things are going to work out for themselves. Well guys, I think I'm gonna call it there for today. I know it wasn't the most exciting content cruising around with no VTEC, but I just wanted to get some footage of you guys cruising around in Wago. A couple of you guys have been asking me what's been going on with the car, so there you have it. She runs and drives, but I need to button up a few little things here and there. You guys watched all the way through the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, because you already know it helps me build the channel. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.